Hi, I'm Jason Scott. I'm a mortgage broker with TMG, the mortgage group in Edmonton. A couple of big announcements out of the federal government related to first-time home buyers. The big one from an Edmonton perspective is the fact that more people now qualify to get a 30-year amortization if they're putting less than 20% down. So back in April, the government said, hey, if you were a first-time buyer buying a newly built home, then you could get a 30-year amortization. But if you were buying a resale home, 25 years. Now that's changed. As long as you're a first-time home buyer, it doesn't matter what you buy. If you're putting less than 20% down, you'll be able to get a 30-year amortization. If you're a repeat buyer, the only way you can get that 30-year amortization is if you're buying a new build. Okay? So right now, repeat buyer, still putting less than 20% down, you have to buy a new house. Otherwise, you're limited to 25 years. I predict that'll change at some point because obviously it's pretty ridiculous to have that sort of a discrimination against one group of people buying one type of property. So the real question is, should you do the 30-year amortization? Well, there's a couple of issues. Number one, you're going to pay more for mortgage insurance, but that's not the big issue. The big issue is over time you pay way more in interest. Now, you can qualify to buy a more expensive property, and all things being equal, your payments will be lower on a 30-year amortization than a 25-year amortization, but that doesn't mean it's the right thing to do financially. If you want advice related to your specific situation, give me a call. Jason Scott with TMG, the mortgage group, 780-720-2490.